the Hill Club hasn't won it quite. He's had a couple of second places, and it's always fascinating to watch. One win in that season, courtesy of Juan Pablo. To it with some gas rather than and do you think that is investigating, allowing engineers to investigate every alternative that we can, and hydrogen is a very good
in F1 machinery, you could say technically on the same track, but Karoom now slows down, getting into position to stop. He's behind the BMW F26, of course raced by Juan Pablo Montoya.
Dust off the hill, up it goes past the house, but it's when it gets to the tighter corners that
there on the right hand side.
This form of competition vehicle just becomes more extreme with every year. Over the line goes the Ford Raptor, so we're ready for batch number 3, and down in front of the house, Steve Baggioni, Bagsy as he's known, he likes his horsepower in his drift cars, and this Nissan is absolute mighty.
How's it looking up there, David?
It's 4.8 seconds, 300 kilowatt max power. Time on that when he gets to the top. That's James Wallace in car 240, which is
he was worried that the mission controls might stop him doing it, but here they are.
That famous sound, Patrick at the wheel. He's going to stop right outside the house and treat the crowd to some donuts.
Going back to the 2011 season for this one, being driven by Patrick Friesacker at the moment. He's actually the longest serving Red Bull driver, believe it or not. Vettel, Sebastian Vettel and Mark Webber with the drivers. To get our ready supercar, those supercharged 5.8 litre. Oh, the 5-4